I pretty much go to bars to socialize. It's an alternative to some places. I have the money. Um, yeah, I focused my energy on places that I wasn't ready for yet, and started focusing my energy now on places that are already too late. Already died with that monogamy. Um, yeah, I've just been focusing on bars, and when I have the money to, I eat out, eat what's there, have something in my stomach before I drink, or during when I'm drinking. Um, I tried to hook up at one bar and I was kicked out. And there was another bar, it wasn't like type of the name of those type of bars. Dive. It's somewhat dive. Just more of a brewery than a dive bar. Um, Better luck and much more alcohol at those places. There was like a fancy bar I went to all by myself. Um, yeah, I drank a little bit too much, and I was cashed out, and atmosphere wasn't. Everyone's bringing everyone else.